Welcome to DVCom Systems channel. Today, we're diving into why video intercom systems are a smart investment for small businesses. Security is a top priority for any company, but for small businesses, having a simple and efficient way to monitor visitors without disrupting daily operations can make a big difference. Let's take a closer look at how video intercoms can provide cost-effective, practical benefits for small business owners. First and foremost, video intercoms allow business owners and employees to quickly and safely verify who's at the door before granting access. For a small business, this is crucial. You may not have a dedicated security team, and chances are, your staff is busy juggling multiple roles. With a video intercom, you can instantly see and communicate with visitors, from delivery drivers to clients to maintenance personnel, without having to physically go to the door. This added convenience saves time and keeps your team focused on what they do best. Security is another huge factor. Small businesses can be particularly vulnerable to unauthorized visitors, especially if located in busy or high-traffic areas. A video intercom acts as a gatekeeper, allowing you to vet each person before they enter. For businesses that handle sensitive information or valuable goods, this layer of control over who can access your premises is invaluable. By deterring unauthorized entry, video intercoms provide an added layer of safety, helping you protect both your assets and your people. Another benefit is the professional image a video intercom conveys. When clients or business partners visit, the ability to greet them through a sleek, professional system makes a great first impression. It shows that your business prioritizes both security and convenience. And, for small businesses that offer services or goods by appointment, a video intercom lets you manage access seamlessly, ensuring that only expected visitors come inside, creating a smooth, welcoming experience. Many video intercoms today are also highly customizable and can connect to smartphones or computers, enabling remote access. If you're a small business owner who isn't always on site, you can still monitor your premises and interact with visitors no matter where you are. This flexibility is ideal for business owners who manage multiple locations or frequently work off-site, offering peace of mind that you can control access at all times. At DVCom Systems, we specialize in video intercom installations tailored to small businesses. Our team will help you choose the best solution for your space, ensuring it's installed and configured to meet your needs. From single-entry units to more advanced setups, we're here to support you in securing your business without complicating your workflow. Thanks for tuning in. If this information was helpful, please like and subscribe for more business security insights. To learn more about video intercom options for small businesses, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit our website at www.dvcsny.com. Elevate your security, enhance your professionalism, and protect your business.